Modern Dodge vehicles from the mid-2000s onward have fundamentally changed how their charging systems operate. Unlike older vehicles with separate voltage regulators, these newer models integrate voltage regulation directly into the engine control module, or ECM. The ECM controls the alternator through sophisticated field current modulation. It continuously monitors electrical load demands, engine temperature, and battery state to optimize charging voltage. This creates a smart charging system that adapts to driving conditions. Here's how the ECM-controlled charging system works. The ECM sends a duty cycle signal to control the alternator's field current. This modulates the magnetic field strength, which directly controls the alternator's output voltage. However, this ECM integration creates significant problems. When the ECM fails, the entire charging system stops working. Additionally, when upgrading to high-output alternators over 150 amps, most ECMs cannot adequately control the increased current flow. The solution is an external voltage regulator bypass. This independent system takes control of the alternator's field current, maintaining stable voltage between 12.6 and 14.4 volts, regardless of ECM status. External voltage regulator bypasses have multiple practical applications. They're essential for emergency repairs when the ECM fails, troubleshooting charging system problems, performance modifications with upgraded alternators, and even classic car restorations using modern Dodge alternators. Building an external voltage regulator requires 5 essential components. Each component plays a critical role in creating a reliable charging system bypass. Safety is paramount when working with automotive electrical systems. Always disconnect the battery before beginning any wiring work to prevent electrical shorts and potential component damage. The wiring process involves 3 main connection groups. Voltage sensing wires monitor battery voltage, the field control relay manages alternator output, and the bypass harness isolates the ECM from the charging system. The alternator field control circuit creates a complete path from battery through voltage regulator to relay, then to the alternator field windings. This replaces the ECM's control with independent voltage regulation. Proper wiring practices ensure long-term reliability. Use marine-grade wire for corrosion resistance, apply dielectric grease to all connections, and route wiring away from heat sources and moving parts. Proper testing validates system performance. Check voltage at rest, while running, and under electrical load. The system should maintain stable voltage regulation across all operating conditions. Remember to properly fuse all power circuits and ensure adequate cooling for regulator components. A well-built external voltage regulator provides reliable charging system control independent of ECM operation.